Welcome to online class for class 12 computer science. Today I will discuss about the two built-in functions type and id. What is the use of these two functions? Let's see. I am writing a code in Python editor. A equal to 146. Now what is the type of a? Let's see. Print type A. So I'm calling a built-in function type and pass A as an argument. So this type function will return the type of A. Let's see the output. The type of A is int type. Let's take another statement. B equal to 78.96. What is the type of B? Print type B. Let's see the output. So the output of second statement is float type. So this value is a float type. Float type means the number which contains a fractional part. The number which contains a decimal is called a float type value. Now let's write another statement. C equal to Bombay. Now what is the type of C? Print type C. So the type of C is str type, means string type. You know that string is a group of character represented by either single quote or double quotes in Python. Let's write another statement. D equal to 11, 22, 33, 44. Now what is the type of D? Print type D. So the type of D is tuple type. Tuple means the group of values which are enclosed in parentheses. So you got an idea what is the use of this type built-in function in Python. Now I will explain about the id function. What is the use of id function? The id function returns the identity or identifier of a data object. Let's see an example. A equal to 56. Now this 56 is stored somewhere in memory and A refer to 56. A refer to that memory location. That memory location is also represented by a number, unique number, that is also called an address. So what is the id of A? Let's see. Print id of A. Let's see the output. Id of A is 1469147088. This is an identifier, unique identifier of 56. It means that 56 is stored at this memory location. Memory location represented by a long integer number. Now I am writing A equal to 145. So the value of A has been changed. Now what is the id of A? Print id of A. So you can see the id of A is 14691485512. Means this 145 is not stored at this memory location. This 145 is stored at this memory location. Means the memory location has been changed. Means when you store 145 in A, that 145 is not stored at this previous memory location, because int is an immutable data type. So these int, float, string and tuple are immutable data objects. You can make a note that numbers, all numbers, strings and tuple are immutable data object. Means you cannot modify these data objects. You cannot modify immutable data object. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching my videos on 12CS online channel.